Magandang buhay, grade 10 students. Now we will just continue our lesson last week, which is about measures of position. Pero dito, we're going to discuss the other quantiles, which are decimals and percentiles, particularly sa isang ungrouped data. Okay? So, let us have first the formula for the position of decile. Okay, so we have this position of D sub K is equal to K multiply N plus 1 divided by 10. So dito, divide by 10 na siya kasi nga, we're talking about decile. Pag sinabi natin decile, it is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay? So wherein, ang K natin, yun yung position na hinahanap natin. And ang N natin is the number of observation or the number of scores in the data set. Okay? So, how about naman sa percentile? So, for the percentile, we are solving for the position of the percentile, K, sub K, wherein ang K natin is the position, the given position na hinahanap natin is equal to K times N plus 1 over 100. So this is over 100 simply because we're talking about percentile. And pag meron tayong percentile, the data set is divided into 100 equal parts. From the word itself, percent, that means 100. Okay? So ito naman, 100 equal parts. Yan. Ngayon naman, if we have this linear interpolation, or we're going to use linear interpolation kapag if the solved position, kung ano man yung na-solve natin dito, okay, has decimal, then we're going to use the linear interpolation. Wherein, ito yung value niya, the value of the quantile, pag sinabi natin quantile, ito yung tatlong diniscuss ko, the percentile, the decile, and the quartile. Okay? Is equal to L. L is the lower value plus D is the decimal. Multiply H, which is the higher value minus the lower value. So, na-discuss ko na to dun sa previous video. So, now, let's discuss or let us have this example. So, same given tayo. So, the following are the number of students in 15 classes selected at random. So, bilangin niyo muna kung 15 lahat to. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Kasi baka kulang pala. Kahit anong isolve natin dyan, kung kulang ang data natin, may hirapan tayo. Malocate ang position na hinahanap. Okay. So, the question here is what is the fifth decile? So, before we calculate the fifth decile, we need to first, of course, arrange the data. So, step number 1 is arrange the data. Okay? Same pa rin. Kamukha lang ito ng quartile. Same lang ang way ng pagsasolve. Ang pinagkaiba lang is the formula. Kasi dito naman, decile ang tinutukoy natin. So, we have 39. We have 40. 41, 42. Another 42 here. Oh, meron pala tayong dalawang 40. Move lang natin to. We still have 40 here. 42 pa. So, tatlo yung 42. Apat. 42. Then, we have 41. So, careful kayo kapag ano kaya mga data nyo. So, we have 41 here. So, move lang natin yan. Yan. Next is, we have 43. (43) 45. Then, we have 46. 47. 48, then 49. Ngayon, meron pala tayong 38. Yung 38 sa unang-una to. So, move lang natin to. 38 here. So, count muna natin. This is your first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Ngayon, let's solve na yung ating fifth decile. So, letter B is calculator. So, the fifth decile. Or D sub 5. So, our formula for decile 5 is we have the position of D sub 5 is equal to K. Diba? Ganito yung formula natin. 10 plus 1 divided by 10. So, K natin will be 5 times, and we have 15. Kasi 15 lahat to. So, 15 plus 1 over 10. So, ngayon, multiply na natin yan. So, we have D sub 5 is equal to 5 times 16 over 10. Okay? So, next is multiply na natin yan. So, we have D sub 5 is equal to 80. 5 times 16 is 80 over 10. So, what is 80 divided by 10? So, D sub 5 is 8. So, yun na yan. So, ibig sabihin ng 8 dito is not the score. Okay? We are referring here sa position. So, 8 position. Kaya nga, diba doon sa formula natin is meron tayong nakasulat na position. Ayan, position of D sub 5. So, ano yung nandun sa position na yon? So, yung D sub 5 natin is nasa 8 position. So, eto yun. So, 8 position. So, ano yung number on that position? So, the number there is we have 42. So, ito yung D sub 5 natin. Okay? So, for step number, this is step number 2. So, step number 3 nyan, let me erase this one. Step number 3 is conclusion. Conclusion. Gusto ko nga. Conclusion. So, we have the value of D sub 5 or the fifth decile is, so what's the value for that? That's 42. So, yun ang answer natin. Okay, so let me highlight the steps. So, since hindi naman decimal yung nakuha natin for the position, ito yon. So, magpo-proceed lang tayo. Magka-count lang kayo kung sino yung nandun sa 8 position.